So we're here at Hollywood Studios and it's all new Toy Story Land. Finally, we're here and we're giving you all of the updates, all of the new tricks and just little things that you need to know right here. And oh my god, it's so exciting. We're finally gonna go on all the rides and just explore everything and all the merchandise for here, Toy Story Land. It's been so long, I'm so glad we're finally here. Let's have a POV, point of view walk around.
Just like I always tell my customers, you've got a friend in me.
Big talking Woody. That's a nice way to enter Toy Story Land, at least you know you're there. Also, oh hey, hello Woody. Also, yeah, they've closed. I didn't realise they're going to do this, but I thought they were going to have like free entrances to Toy Story Main. They don't. They've closed off the old entrance, so it's just the new ones now. Just a bit annoying. There it is, the Slinky Dog.
The best idea for a taste ever.
It is. Oh. Now let's happy holidays because we're here in like December. Oh, hello Jessie.
I love the new entrance to Toy Story Mania.
It's the new entrance. It's supposed to be like a box or something like that. Like is opening. I suppose like they've just done out the theming really, but it's essentially the same ride. We've just been on Tower of Terror and we tried to go on Aerosmith, the rock and roller coaster, but that broke down and we had to go throughout the evacuation entrance exit.
Yeah, so, when we were leaving, people were talking about someone being electrocuted.
Yeah, apparently somebody was electrocuted on rock and roller coaster.
No idea if that's true or not, but that was...
They could be lying their pants off.
Word on the way out. Seen it, people make up all sorts.
Yeah, hearsay.
Yeah, we got a big giant Toy Story ball.
Ah, that's so cool. I'm gonna play on them.
No, the only one's fun. And Woody's lunchbox.
Oh, Woody's lunch. Let's have a closer look at Woody's lunchbox.
Oh yeah. Cool, we've got some dominoes. There's really all the little details here actually.
There's a lot of really cool like toy themes here. They really, okay, this fills me with a lot of hope for Star Wars Land with the theming and that. What?
There's the remote.
Damien.
There you go, there it is.
Hey.
And Samus and the army man over there.
There they are.
Baby Bell over there. It's really cool. The resources. Should Slinky Dog?
Yeah, let's go for it guys. Let's ride Slinky Dog. It was a bit busy so we'll go back in a bit. But anyway, look, we've got some Christmassy stuff like ham Christmas cookies. They're so cute. So these are some of the festive things you're only going to get at Toy Story Land around Christmas.
There's popcorn and cranberries on like string. But it's huge because you're a toy size on top of it.
I see they've done a really good job of making you feel like a toy. Or at least very, very small.
But it is very busy.
Yeah.
Which is to be expected. This is where the sauce is.
What?
And Buzz Lightyear's box is up there too.
His box? Oh, let's go closer.
Get ready. Civilians, join us. Raise your right hand and join us in repeating. I state your name. State your name. I hereby promise to obey the laws of the Playbox to protect our toys and to never leave a soldier behind, so help me, Sheriff Woody.
Close enough. It's a really awesome street theatre as well.
It's time for our graduation class photo. Get out your cameras. Get out your photographic devices. But hold your fire as we get into photo. Soldiers, face outward to where the cameras are. And now, company salute. Photographers, ready, aim, fire at will. Or Chance, or Riley, or Bella, or whatever your child's name might be. Ready, soldiers.
We've got a wall here with Andy on it and Slinky.
Pretty cool. That's, I mean, the attention to details, so much. I don't know whether it's because we're looking for it, it's more noticeable. What do you guys think?
Alien Saucer is 35-minute wait. Even that's long.
Yeah. But it's very busy today. We're out here Saturday afternoon.
There's bars.
Buzz later. I mean, they're all out. Pretty much. So they got all the statues here.
They're just the teacups, really, aren't they?
Yeah. Although I do like the acronym for Alien Swirling Saucers is ASS, which perhaps is how I'm going to feel about that ride when I go on it.
Alright, hey look, y'all are going to
I don't know how much you'll love it. I like the fairy lights as well because it's like they're supposed to be like normal sized Christmas lights because you're small and that's it.
Well, okay, look at these fairy lights, they're huge. It's basically like, again, you're a tourist, so everything's bigger because you're smaller. Like it.
But I've got the Christmas ornaments, which are again huge, and the alien space saucer.
The claw.
There he is with his claw behind him. When you have like one merch stand, they don't have any shops.
It's a bit weird, they must have some kind of shops.
Oh, the pizza.
Yeah. Buzz Lightyear.
And Zerg. A little alien sippy cup. Is it, ooh, the corn, there's corn.
It's cute.
And an alien mirror. And a Buzz Lightyear spinner. And a bubble blower.
Boo-boos.
And we've got the Toy Story Magic Band.
Oh, might have to get that, don't know yet. Haven't got a new magic band yet, so which one should you think I should get? Well, by the time I put this up, we probably will have an answer.
I hope so.
Yeah.
That is really good.
Okay, so this is the Alien Swirling Saucers, but we just rode the Slinky Dog Dash. I wasn't too sure what I thought about it. I think I was expecting a lot more from it, but at the same time, they said it like when we were watching like a promo for it, like, oh, we had to design a wheel that goes forwards and backwards, but it goes backwards for like 1 second, like when it pretty much stops and you can barely feel it, and that's it. You don't probably go backwards, and it's not, you know, it doesn't go upside down, it just goes up and down a little bit. So not entirely overly impressed with it really, which is unfortunate because you know, we went for so long. But anyway, this is my review. That maybe I might change my mind, like going it a couple more times. I have been known to do that a few more, like couple of times before. But anyway, I hope you really enjoyed this, and this is pretty much everything that you can do in Toy Story Land. So remember to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and tell me in the comment section below what you think of Toy Story Land. So anyway, catch us for more of our vlogs, and if you haven't already, check them out, like, share this video, follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog, Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog, or Instagram at Disney.Dreamer_UK. See you next time, guys. Bye, 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 bye.